Over their eyes.
Wow.
Guys, I'm here from Gaza. I'm about to pick up Kairo'S package here I ship to Kima. He's gonna enjoy it. Here it is. I've collected Kairo'S gift. Let's see if he loves it.
We already have the tablecloth and the balloons and everything, don't babe? So I have a full number of shirts here. It looks small. A 5-year-old, what do you say? Look like it looks small. You can't fit him, but you know. Oh, shirt's big. It's perfect. So this is my birthday, guys. Birthday clothes. Yes. Where's it, babe?
Nice.
Yeah, man. So we did get one package already, guys. With him. Alright, guys. Another early birthday gift, Cairo. Can you guess what it is?
My shoes? I don't think so.
Guess. One guess.
Ice cream?
No.
Candies? Wow! My number book.
It's a number block book. Are you glad? Now you can color, Cairo. Color your number blocks.
Yeah. It's a number book.
When the fathers are about to go to the road, we ask for your blood coverage right now. When the father, there be no accident, no near misses covered.
Soon. Alright, baby. We soon get something to eat. You will learn something new. So guys, we don't know where we're at. Welcome back to our channel, Young Fam. The rain is falling and we are going on the road. Yes guys, we're going on the road and the rain is fall. But let's see how it works out now. So the guy's birthday is coming up soon and we're trying to see what activities we can get in today. So yes guys, his birthday is on a weekday, so this is a weekend. So we can show a thing or two, you know, what we got this bar and you know what he got, because it's really, it's like it's his month. It's our mommy's month because it's actually my birth month as well. Right, so fingers crossed when we reach the place. Despite the rain, they're still doing the activities, right? So that's what we're looking for today. So come along with us, guys. Guys, we're so rich. This is like, you know, a tradition The guys unfortunately placed lock, which is understandable. It's a rainy day, but I thought that they would have, still met them the kids then go on with anything. It's a horse riding school, right? But unfortunately, we have to carry them on another day. Hey, babe? Carol, the horse riding, please, but they're closed. No horse riding today, okay? But we another day, right? When the time is sunny and bright. Wanted to surprise you with horse riding, but it's very but they're closed. There's no horsey and no attendance today. But we carry on another day, okay, baby? The poor man is stuck. Yes, stuck. What's that, baby? So we've got a monster truck for Kairo, and we're wrapping his protective gear because in the blue bike, babe, because he said that he wanted the blue one, so we're steering him towards the red one. So, and he does not know that would cause my bicycle. Babe, he's probably thinking just like it's a cake. So we're about to have normal dog cake. I'll insert it right here, and we're going to be decorating the place number block theme, right? And yeah, so monster truck, protective gear, and the bike. And Kara's been getting some. We're getting some gifts. Favors, guys. You know, if you put them in. Surprise, Kairo. Kairo said, oh wow. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, dear Cairo. Happy birthday. Cairo, do you like it?
Yes.
You like that? It's pretty?
Yes.
Ooh. This is part 1, Cairo. We get part 2. Birthday celebration. And then it comes from there.
What do you think it is? No, that's one Kairo's.
Butterflies?
Very tired. But don't think you people guys are so hurt.
Whoa.
What is it, Karo?
I don't know.
Don't know.
It's a old You like it, Kai Kai?
Yes. It's a big wheel.
Bless you.
Do you think it's a monster truck? Or do you
I think it's a nice truck, and I think this part go side and side, baby. The truck, it goes side and side, round and round. It goes round and round, side and side. I think it's a crazy truck.
I don't know.
Yes, I think it's a gymnastic truck. Because we can't find the batteries for that right now. Okay, baby.
Whoa! There is a ball? Ball?
It's not a ball. What is it, Cairo?
Maybe it's a helmet.
Yes!
But I think I put in.
It is a helmet. I got to the other clothes. Cara, why do you think you have a helmet? So you can run up and don't hit your head, right?
Yes.
Hold on. Let me.
Is it too
Is it too
tight?
tight?
Yes. But
It's choking you? Alright. Let me put on this thing properly. Alright, that's much better. What happened? Yeah, it's one little hurt.
Hush, baby.
It's all finished hurting now.
Cotton. Is that my shoe?
No.
What shoe is this?
Someone looks like he's ready.
Go for Cara blue shoes.
What is it?
Close your eyes. Turn around, both of you. Like, look at the wall. Carol, that wall. Close your eyes. Turn around, Carol.
Carol, turn around.
Over your eyes.
Wow. My bike. How get so far there?
It's your bike.
What is it?
Yeah.
How? How do you know that?
No, you didn't
I
know
know
that.
that. I know you did it though. What chicken you never know, eh? You get the blue one, Carol. come. You love your surprise, Caro?
Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10, Caro, 10 being the best, 1 being the least. How's your birthday so far, Caro?
Good.
1 to 10. 10 is
Just show it to me.
10 is the best, 1 is the least. Which one do you choose?
10.
Gonna go first, sing it for Caro.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Kairo. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, everybody know. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kairo. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you.
May the
May the
good
good
Lord
Lord
bless
bless you.
May the good Lord bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Pretend to blow out the candle.
Don't have a blocks.
Wait, no, wait. Wait, you want to? Araya?
Wait, hold it. Alright. 1,
2, 3.
cut! Good, Caro. All your strength.
Carry weak.
Alright.
Good job.
One more time, let's go again. Come, Caro, hold it. Hold it. Oh, you're holding. Oh, sorry.
Oh, for
Come, go again. 1, 2, what are it, man? It's lean. 1, 2, 3, cut.
Good job.
Alright.
So guys, we did have a lot of fun. We ate a lot of cake, probably a little bit too much. And this is what the cake was looking like before we cut it. Guys, for those interested to see Kairo'S a long time, guys, Kairo'S 5, he celebrated his first birthday on YouTube, so take a look on his first birthday, just a glimpse of what it was like.
Happy birthday, dear Kairo. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. We wish you many more. We wish you many more. Smile for me, Baba. Happy birthday to you. Why is the upset on your birthday? Yeah?
Baby Kai, put a smile on your
Put the smile on your face. Kairo, smile. Oh my. They upset.
He's a feisty one on his birthday, ain't he?